Do you want to start saving money this year without any stress? In this video, I'm going to show you 9 simple habits that will help you save more money in 2024. Whether you're just starting or looking to level up your savings game, these tips will make a real difference in your financial life. Let's get started. The first habit to build is automating your savings. Set up automatic transfers to a savings account each payday. Even $50 a month can add up quickly without you having to think about it. Tracking your spending is essential. Use apps like Mint or Enough to see where your money is going. Once you know your spending habits, you can adjust and save more effectively. Make every dollar work for you by using cashback and rewards apps. Whether you're shopping online or in store, apps like Rakuten, Honey, and Ibotta can help you earn money back on purchases you are already planning to make. Setting clear savings goals keeps you motivated. Whether it's an emergency fund, a vacation, or a down payment on a house, writing down your goals and tracking your progress helps turn your dreams into reality. Eating out is convenient but expensive. By meal prepping, you'll save money and time throughout the week. Plus, you're less likely to spend on last-minute takeout. We've all signed up for subscriptions. We barely use streaming services, apps, or gym memberships. Take a few minutes to cancel anything you're not using. This habit can save you hundreds of dollars a year. Impulse buys can wreck your budget. Always shop with a list and stick to it. This small habit helps you avoid overspending and keeps you focused on what you actually need. Secondhand shopping is not only eco-friendly but budget-friendly too. You can find amazing deals on clothes, furniture, and gadgets for a fraction of their retail prices by shopping at thrift stores, online marketplaces, or consignment shops. Before making any non-essential purchases, practice the 30-day rule. Wait 30 days before buying that new gadget or outfit. Most of the time, you'll realize you don't actually need it, and you'll end up saving more. These 9 simple habits will help you save more money in 2024. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your savings grow. Which habit are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more money saving tips. Thanks for watching.